When I said to my father like I'm starting an organic business, he said no. I'm the first generation women entrepreneur, so that fear is completely on my father. So he suggested no to start this company. But I got mad to start a business, and after starting a business, I was approaching my father, Appa, kindly use my organic certified product into our field. He said one message which completely turned me. Kana, like you are my daughter, I can trust you, but how can I trust your products? So this is a big question. I got, even my father is not believing me, means like who will believe me? He doesn't have that good education, but even though he used to tell me like a woman should be very very independent, at least she should earn for to feed her. Vanakkam, I'm Dr. Divya Vasudevan. I'm coming from a village background. My father is a farmer and my husband too, and I would proudly say that I belong to a farming community, and now I'm recently running two companies of private limited, like one is Agrogreen Biolife Private Limited and second is The Organic Private Limited, and third is my recently started The Foundation, which says culture with agriculture, and let's all together spread agriculture. We in Agrogreen Biolife Private Limited, it is almost a 90% it is a female oriented organization with a set of almost 17 to 22 members of agri professionals with BSc Agriculture, Sericulture, MSc Pathology, Microbiology, Agronomy, Agricultural Extension. So we are the plant doctors. I would say like we are a team which comprises of plant doctors, where we can literally help the farmers to do organic agriculture without adding a single gram of chemical into the land. Like the mother's milk contains lot of insecticide and pesticide, deadly chemicals. Why means at the time of lactation, the women used to consume lot of fruits and vegetables, right, which is 100% grown out of chemical poison. How can I feed that fresh poison to my son? So this is a big question mark came into my mind. So it is a very very shocking. At that time I thought like I should start an organic company and cultivate crops without adding a single gram of chemical into it. To be very frank, I worked in many big corporates as a senior consultant or a branch head or a Tamil Nadu center head. I worked. At that time I thought like, okay Divya, just stop it, and you are born for a purpose. So till now I have converted 22,000 acres of land into organic, which is a very 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 silent revolution which I am doing. And second is like I've been directly connected with 4,300 direct farmers without any dealer or distributor. So I am doing one-on-one consultancy or the farm guiding to the farmers. To run this business, the first challenge as a woman what I faced is like two big challenges I felt. One is all the customer or in the age of my father or the grandfather's age, one. And second is like all my clients are 100% male dominant industry. Farming is a male dominant industry, it's like no. So that is the biggest challenge what I felt initially. The only one condition what I kept for my husband is like after marriage I should work and I should start a company soon. So before marriage he said okay everything. Then after marriage I said like see it's time, and I finished all my responsibility that I gave a birth to a son, and I have my responsibility as a daughter-in-law and as a wife, it's done. After 7 years of successful sustainability in my career as an organic farm consultant serving 4,300 farmers, I found like I should give back something to the society. Coming to the foundation, which is DHI, it is I can proudly say it is one of my pet projects. Who will feed the next generation? So there started the initiation of the foundation. The main focus of the foundation is to implement agriculture as a curriculum in school syllabus. Agriculture is called as the backbone of India. So everyone, we are blessed to born in India. So I want to focus on creating a new farmers.